Today we'll prepare me and Chol. Actually, Chol will do this thing. I'll see that chicken. We purchase the 500-gram chicken, and in pressure cooker we put some water, and pressure cooker will not give the city,
Yes.
and this water should be in the soak level. That means the water level will be the above the chicken piece.
Yes.
Okay, so this one, what you want to
So
put?
we will not put any oil in this.
Oh.
We will just cook the meat as such,
Okay.
and we will make sure that the water evaporates. There is no any oil in this.
Okay.
It will be only
Just
cooked-
boiling. You are
just
telling
cooked
just
meat.
boiling.
Yes.
You are doing boiling,
Boiling, and
and
it will be just a raw cooked meat.
oh, raw meat you cleaned first,
Ah.
and then you put, and water will be the above the meat piece level.
Yes.
And so now you can see इधर में पकाने के लिए ऑलरेडी दे दिया, ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड कुकिंग, and this is the chicken piece, and water level is above this chicken piece, and now we are closing. Simply this is the closing. This vessel एक कुकर जैसे यूज नहीं होगा, मैंने टाइट क्लोज नहीं करेंगे, जस्ट ऊपर में दिया। तो देखते हैं कितना टाइम का बाद पूरा पानी सूखा जाएंगे, ऑल वाटर विल बी इवेपोरेट.
It will now cook. Lot of oil will come out of it.
Okay. So now it is in the full mode, na, gas in full mode.
Just evaporate the water.
So now after 15 minutes we'll check what is the condition of cooking of the chicken. Yeah, water is reducing and color also changing. Do we need to put the salt, Chol? No salt,
It will
nothing.
come from the meat itself.
Yeah, it is almost done. It has taken 20 minutes till now during the cooking, and you see that almost water is evaporated, and till now little bit water is there, but you can see that this oil has come from the fat of the chicken itself. We did not add any oil externally, एंड ऑयल तो अलग से मिलाया नहीं, वो जो चिकन का जो फैट है उसमें ऑयल आया, एंड अभी पानी ऑलमोस्ट चला गया. यहाँ अभी देखिए कुछ पानी नहीं है, नो वाटर इज देयर, एवरी वाटर इवापोरेटेड, एंड व्हेन इट विल बी फिनिश इट शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल, क्योंकि नहीं है तो वो जल जाएगा, क्योंकि अभी कुछ पानी नहीं है. इस टाइम में आपको ये बंद कर देना है, वो जो आग होता है ना, जो बंद कर देना चाहिए, एंड दैट ओवन शुड बी स्टॉप, एंड देन इट इज डन. सो इट इज लुकिंग नाइस. Now we are opening the sauce. This is hot and sweet sauce from Maggi. Yes. Now we'll put the sauce. সস का साथ চিকেন খাएंगे, সসের সঙ্গে যে মুরগির মাংস এখন বানালাম এটা আমরা খাবো, এবং Chol's wife and his daughter eating. So now we'll know some comment from Joel's wife. Yeah, please tell me. Tell us what is the taste of it.
Seriously, it is too good.
Ah,
I know fat will be there in chicken, but salt, it's ultimate. It's a very good starter. You can start with the good starter on Sunday with
and
healthy diet.
he did not put any
No,
salt
nothing.
also there.
No salt,
But
no oil, nothing. Just water.
and it tastes also little bit salty also because that salt has come from the inside the that chicken piece only.
Seriously, you
Okay.
can see you can see the oil,
Hmm.
and it is fried well.
Yeah, and also tasted salty,
Yes.
salty like.
Yes.
Only that some sauce you need to eat.
He added what
And we
sauce
suggest
he-
the
which-
Maggi
Katta
hot
meter-
and sweet.
katta-
Yeah.
Hot and sour. Hot and
Yes.
Hot and sweet, kata mita,
Good.
Maggi.
How do you
Well.
feeling, Mahi?
Super.
It is super.
Tasty.
See, by eating, we can make out that how she likes his father's menu.
Yeah.